Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Thursday, and in the United States, it's Thanksgiving. Ah! Okay, so turn on the parade and follow your schedule. We talked about it in my live video, a schedule of what to do today. So pace yourself. Get up early this morning and do your morning routine. Put the children through their routines. Get everybody fed, and then you have your kitchen to yourself or with help. Follow your routine or follow your list of things to do and enjoy this day. This is not zone 4 for you today. This is not paper routine. This is not laundry. It's just morning routine, after dinner routine. Ask for help. Don't be a martyr. Tell people what to do. This is your kitchen. They don't know. The platter gets dried with this towel and goes on that shelf. Thank you. Oh, if you want to sweep the floor for me, I would really appreciate it. The broom is in that closet with the dustpan, and you can empty the dustpan in the garbage can right here. Thank you. Tell them what to do. You're the CEO. You're in charge. In the meantime, you're doing your things. Hopefully you cleaned as you went along, and this is going to be easy peasy with everybody helping you, and then you can sit down and enjoy your company if they're still there after dinner. Okay, if it is not Thanksgiving where you live, then you're going to do the regular things, which, as a quick reminder, are the routines that we just talked about, including laundry and paper. Our zone 4, the master bedroom, master closet, and master bathroom, either 15 minutes of decluttering or pick one thing that takes 10 minutes or less and deep clean. And then our errand day. So you're going to go buy your groceries today. You're going to run your errands. Now, for those of us experiencing Thanksgiving today, you may not have all your groceries for the week. Maybe you didn't have room after all the Thanksgiving things. So after Thanksgiving, reassess, see what you need, see what you can use. What do you need to put with it? And you might have to go to the grocery store on Friday or Saturday. And that's okay. We can wiggle things around. All right, after that, don't forget that we're going to do always remember that we're going to do a before bed routine. But if you've been on your feet all day, you may be extra tired. So once your guests leave, the kitchen looks great. Maybe you've had that last turkey sandwich or whatever. Give the kitchen sink a wipe out, put out your new dishcloth, run the dishwasher again, or maybe empty it and run it again. If you had a lot of dishes, you might have to do that. And then go take care of yourself first. Get yourself ready for bed, and then the children ready for bed, because you're tired, and I don't want you going to bed with a dirty face or a dirty body. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you had a fabulous Thanksgiving, and if you didn't, I hope you had a fabulous day, and I want you to always remember that you are beautiful.